What's the types of blower of the what's the diffusers?
In type of diffuser.
Sorry, what types of diffusers?
Cross bubble diffuser, cross bubble. This is for the sludge, cross bubble.
Force bubble, stainless steel or the membrane?
Stainless steel, I think. For this is actually. I think stainless steel.
I think perforated pipe. Perforated pipe.
Yeah.
It is simply a perforated pipe, it is saying. But sometimes.
Okay, then why the diffuser will be blocked? I don't understand. Why?
From SSI is the supplier.
Yes. Why if there's no flow, the blower, I mean the airflow to the I don't know why the diffuser will be blocked.
Yeah.
Can you explain it to me?
Actually, from my side, it will not block because this is a cross bubble.
Yeah, so I said the cause or whatever, consequences, right? Diffuser blocks. Can you elaborate it? The causes.
Yeah. So, I mean, Ahmed, if you are saying that it has no potential blockage, so let us say that no blockage.
No.
Yeah, no blockage.
Then,
this is cross bubble, yeah.
Okay.
It's not fine bubble.
That's okay. It's a not credible scenario. Blockage is not credible.
Yeah.
No.
Very good. Fantastic. So guys, for no and less flow we have seen. Now we are going for more flow. More flow here is greater than 20. 20. More flow is not credible here because there is no control valve. No credible scenario. Reverse flow. Ahmed. Where is check one? Yeah. So we'll put here reverse flow from main header to standby. Potential loss of air and damage. Standby blower due to reverse rotation. I am happy 3 because जो air आएगा ना, this air will make it reverse motion. This blower fan, if you don't have check valve, so what will happen? This blower high pressure blower air will go here and it will have short